There are many reasons for the placement machine to throw materials. Today, let's talk about how the feeder causes throwing. First, understand the structure of the feeder. The feeder mainly includes control board, energy card, disc, feeding motors, to feeding motors, and this disc. This gear drives this. And this is the disc sensor. This is the coil motor. There are two. This is also the disc. Coil roller. This is the joystick. This is the control panel. And this is the feeder waste box. The above is the feeder structure. One of the reasons that affects feeder throwing is disc wear. After the disc is worn out, this material will be brought into this area, and if it cannot be stuck, the material belt will have an offset. So it is necessary to regularly maintain the feeder to avoid throwing materials, as there are many reasons for throwing materials. Do you know any other reasons for throwing materials?